Hey guys, thanks for tuning into Review Channel. So a lot of people are looking and asking how to create shorts with your app on your phone. Well, there is a beta version available on your phone through the YouTube app, but not everybody has it, which is kind of weird, right? So they're rolling it out slowly. So the way to check is hit that plus sign on the bottom of your phone here, just like you see here, hit that plus sign. And if you have it, it says create a short in beta. So you can see it is in beta and not everybody has this. So check it out, check it. And if you don't have it, make sure you update your app. So make sure you update the app and then check again. You could have it. It is going to come out. It's coming out more and more every day, and then it's really working on it. So basically, if you have that, you can create a nice short on your phone without going through crazy editing. It's real simple, real easy. So just tap on create a short. So what that does, it brings up this is the live feed for my phone. You can see here. So this brings up you're basically your recording, and you can tap on the 15 seconds if you want to do a 60 seconds. So you have those options there. That's what's available right now for two timestamps, I guess, or 2 time lengths, whatever. So let's do 60 seconds. And so say we have a 60-second video here, which is kind of cool. Okay, so you just click the record button, and let's just record the keyboard. You can see that. Hit stop. Okay, and then I want to record my clock. Hit stop. And then stop. Okay, now hit the check mark. See that check mark to the right? It'll play back those 2 segments. It'll be a nice little cutaway. Boom. You can see it in the clock. Okay, so you can go back with the arrow to the top here, and you just go continue and go back and continue recording. So if you have different segments you want to run around and get some different shots, you can do that. Just do your talking over each segment, and however you want to do it. It's kind of cool, makes it fun and easy. So once you're done doing all that, you can add music if you want to. If you do add music, just be aware it will not be monetized. When they do offer monetization, there will not be. So if you want to be monetized, I guess don't add music. I don't know. It's still really new. So they have speed controls. You can make it faster or slower. There's a timer effect and some filters. So the filters are really nothing fancy here. So let me just show you. Filters are just basic stuff here. Nothing to write home about. So there's some basic filters. So once you're done with that, you just hit the check mark. Now it takes you to the next screen here. So you can see here the music, and then they have titling. Titling is really cool. This is really simple. Check this out here. It brings it up. You can pick your color choices. You just scroll across here with your color choices, right? And then you can just write what you want. So here's subscribe, right? So you can take that. Check this out. Move it with, you can't see it, but you can actually get that done, right? And now you can move this with your finger. All right, pinch up and down to make it bigger and smaller, right? Isn't that kind of cool? And you can move it around with your finger, up and down. And you can do that, and you can place it where you want to. You can also edit the timeline. So you can actually say, okay, I want this towards the end of this segment, okay? And you can play it. Now check this out. It'll go through it, it'll stop, and at the end, where you told it to, it'll come up at the end of your short and say, subscribe. So that's another really cool thing too. I mean, you can just continue here and hit next. Really nice and easy to use. The flow is really nice, and then just create your title, and that's all you need. So you can just check that out, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying the video, and check out all my videos online. Appreciate your time as always, and I'll see you at the next review.